Hello everyone. In this video, we will be talking about dictionaries. Dictionaries are one of the most important sequence in Python, which uses key value pair. So I have created a notebook with the name Dictionaries, and in this notebook, we will be discussing about creating dictionaries, accessing objects from dictionaries, nesting dictionaries, and some of the basic dictionaries method. So let's start with creating dictionaries. So I'm going to start with dictionary. I've given the name dict, curly braces, then the key, then Python, uh, Android. Then the third key is Java, comma. Let me remove the. Should be. Let's keep it as a number. So I have created a dictionary, simple dictionary, which has four keys: one, two, three, and four. And the values of each key are Python, Android, Java, and Ruby. So let's print this. Shift Enter. Okay. Yes. This should be like this. Yeah. So this is the dictionary which we have created. Now we can access any value using the key. So if I want to access the first values present inside the key one, I can just say dict one, so it is going to give me the Python value. Similar way, we can access the from from using the key three, so it is going to give us Java. This is how dictionaries can be created. Another example is like here we have seen that for all the keys there is only a single value. It can be a possibility that for a key for a particular key the values may be in the form of a list or tuple. So let's see that example. So I'm going to create a dictionary for an employee which is equal to, and then I am having the name as the key. Let's say the name of the person is Peter. The next thing is the age. Age is let's say 45. Then with what else we can have? Nationality, let's say nationality is Dutch, comma. What else we can put? We can put the languages spoken by that person. Okay. So these languages can be in the multiple form, like that person can speak multiple language. So it can be English, then it can be Dutch, German, and French. So this is the dictionary which we have created where for a particular key value, there can be multiple values inside it. It's in the form of a list. It can also be in the form of a tuple. So let me run this one. Let me print this dictionary employee, shift enter. So this is how this dictionary will look in like. Now, we can also access the object using the key. So we can say dict employee, and we can say if we want that how many languages that person speaks, we can just use this key lang, shift enter. It's going to tell us that okay, that particular employee speaks these many languages. If we want to find it out any specific value of this language, then we can provide the index also. So I can say 0 because it's in the form of a list, so indexing is possible here. I can just say 1, so it's going to give us the value at one position. So it's 0, 1, 2, 3. So it's going to give me the value as Dutch. This is how we can access um, the values inside the key using indexes in the case if the values are in the form of a list or tuple. Now we can also perform some of the operations like Like if I want to, because the values inside are in the form of a string. So let's say the first value, which is English, 0, we can convert it into a kind of an upper case. What will happen? It's going to convert this English into all the letters into an English format. Okay. Also, we can modify the values because lists are a kind of mutable. So if I want to change the age, so current age is 45. We can see here. If I want to add, so we can just do dict employee age, let's say +7. Now the age employee age will be 52. The age is 52 because earlier it was 45 and we added 7. So now the new value is 52. Okay. So this way we can perform the some operations also. Now the next thing which we are going to look into is like we can also create dictionaries through assignments. So now when I say, so let me create it, how we can do that? Let me create a new dictionary, which is equal to, it's an empty format. Now if I want something, if I want the values or key and value pair inside this dictionary, so we can say do it like this, new dictionary. Then here I can just type animal, which is equal to, let's say, cat. Similar way we can also say new dict. I can add the the age of the cat, which is equal to, let's say, 2 years. Now shift enter. Now the new dictionary, in the new dictionary, these two items will be added. So we can see this for the animal is and age as the keys and cat and two are the values inside it. Now the other most important concept is the nested dictionaries. In the nested dictionaries, we have a dictionary inside a dictionary. So let's see an example. Let me create a nested dictionary. Next dictionary is equal to curly braces, then person, then colon, then again inside this there will be a dictionary. This dictionary will be in the form like this, Peter. Then we can create one more dictionary inside it, age, and then like this, and then we can give it as 42. This way we can create a nested dictionary. So we can see here inside one dictionary there is one more dictionaries, and inside it there is one more dictionary. So it's in the form of a nested form. We can also check that, okay, is it good? Yes, it is good. Now, if I want to access any element or any item from here, so I can just say dict next nested, then I can provide the value. So I say if I want to get the value of a person, enter. So I got this value. So inside this person, this is the value. But if I want to get into the nested form, so I can just do it like this. Person, then I can just specify Peter, and then I can say age, age. This is going to give me the age of that particular person, 42. This is how we can work with the nested dictionaries. Now, some of the basic methods, dictionary methods are, uh, we can use the alien method. So this is going to give us the length of the dictionaries as usual. And then we have the type method. So type method is always used in Python for finding out the data type of a particular data structure. So this is a dictionary, so it's going to give us a dictionary. We can also do the copy method. So dict dot copy. So that dictionary will be copied. So this dict was created in the very first cell, this one. So it can be copied. Okay. The other method is print dot dict dot clear. So when we use this clear method, so it's going to remove all the values. So if let me run this, so there is no values. Okay, this dictionary is being reset, and there is no value left inside it. It is going to return none. Um, the next method is like we can also uh, get the values of all the keys by using this keys method. So what will happen when you call this keys method? It's going to give all the keys values of this dict employee. The dict employee has this name, age, nationality, and language as the keys. If I want to get the values, I can just use dot values. It's going to give me all the values of the dictionary. Just give me 1 second. I think it should be dot here. Yes, so it's giving me all the values which is present inside this employee dictionary. Next is the use of the items method. So items method is going to returns the key value pair in the form of a tuple. This is basically it is printing the entire dictionary in the form of a tuple which contains the key and value. So one tuple will contain one key value pair, and another tuple will contain the another key value pair. Um, so these were some of the common methods. We can also do sorting in sorting. So let's say I have created a dictionary which is equal to, let's say it's like this, Python, comma, then two, comma, Java, one, comma, one colon, big data. Okay, this is a simple dictionary which I've created. So it's in the form of, it has three keys, 3, 2, and 1, and values Python, Java, and big data. Now, the other thing is, let's keep everything, all the keys together inside a list. Okay, so how we can get the all the key values? We are using the keys method as we have seen earlier. Keys method. Then we are going to use this print ks. It's going to print the ks, all the keys. Now we can use the sorted method, ks, and then print. Let's put this sorted keys value inside a sorted keys equal to. Okay, and now print this sk. Let's run this. Okay, so first it printed out the keys. So it's 3, 2, and 1. And then it after applying the sorted method, it's being sorted in the form of 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now we can also display the values in the form of a sorted keys. So we can say that like this for key in sk, print key. Then we have key comma equal to, and this is dict key1. Okay. So this way we can do that. Let's run this one. Okay, so I think there is something wrong. Mm, print key. Mhm. Okay, yes. So now we are getting all the values of the key. Then we have this is the key value 1, and then this is the big data value. Okay, value of the corresponding value of that particular key. So this was all about dictionaries.